Hi everyone. Today there will be no unboxing as I don't have any new watch to unbox. What we have here is the Seiko 5 SNKL15 K1, also known as the poor man's brand Seiko. So in this video I'm going to change the bracelet of the Seiko 5 with the aftermarket mesh bracelet which I acquired from China. This is the inexpensive Chinese Milanese mesh bracelet. It's only about 5 USD, or in Malaysian money that will be about 20 ringgit. So as you can see, I believe this is real stainless steel, but of course the quality is not as good as the original Jubilee style bracelet for this Seiko 5. So the purpose of this video is just to show you how it looks like with the mesh bracelet. Okay, firstly we need to remove this pin over here. Let the camera focus. Not focusing. Just remove pin. Okay. it just jumped out from the bracelet. Luckily it didn't go very far. Right, next one is we have to remove the spring bar. I think I will remove the spring bar off camera because it's a little bit difficult to remove while filming. So I'll be back with you shortly. So I finally removed the bracelet. If you are installing a mesh bracelet for this watch, you won't be needing the end link. So the only problem is that you will have a hollow area between the case and the bracelet. As you can see here, you can see that there is a hollow space between the two. How am I going to do this? So I have forgotten which one is which goes where. I think this one with the buckle, or what do you call this, a buckle? The buckle will be down here, and the other one will be up here. Okay, again off camera, I'll just fix this in and see you in a while. Okay, so finally I got it in. All the spring bars are all in. So this is the result. So the only downside of fixing or using a mesh bracelet is that you will have the empty area between the case and the bracelet. But it's not bad actually, as compared to the Jubilee bracelet. It's not too bad. So let's try it on. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay guys, this will be the end of my video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. Bye.